Hey guys, Alex here and welcome to my channel. I got another quick and easy installation for you guys, so stick around and I'll see you right after the intro. About 3 years ago, I installed these Raptor LED lights, as you can see here. And this was just a generic brand or no-name brand that I got off Amazon. The set actually has 4 LED lights, but as you can see here, I'm down to 3. One gave after a year into it. Did a good job considering I only spent 20 bucks for it. Now AUXITO LED lights was kind enough to send me a new set to install and test out. So that's what we're gonna install today. And I'm pretty much going to do the same installation that I did the first time. And I'm not going to run this through the battery, but I will just tap it directly onto the DRL or the daytime running lights, because I want this lights to be on during the day when my lighting system is off. I think these lights are pretty useless at night anyway, so it's good to see them during the day. It looks pretty awesome. So stick around and let's get the installation done together. All right, so let's unbox this and let's see what AUXITO had sent me here. It comes in nicely and neatly packaged, and as you can see, I went with the black smoke version. I have the white ones originally installed, and I think the black one's gonna look awesome. But what else is in the box here? Basically the LED lights and the harness. You got the red and black, which is the positive and negative leads, and fuse line. Surprisingly, there is no installation instructions. Like I mentioned, it's a pretty straightforward install. So first things first, I just need to pop these out. So before we connect all the wirings, we need to install these LED lights onto the grill first. And these housings are actually designed to fit perfectly into all these grill holes. So we need to disconnect it from the harness. And as you can see here, there's a tab right here that you can push in, and you're able to disconnect the two. And I'm just using a punch right here. So let's do that for all 4 of them and place them right on the grill. So I place them where I want them, and it's just a matter of popping them in its place, and that should be it. Okay, so for whatever reason, the ones at the ends are not going in. And I remember the same issue with the first set that I had before. What I had to do was shave off a little bit at the ends here to allow it to pop into place. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's my grill, but it could be the grill, it could be this, but for whatever reason, it's not fitting. So I'm just gonna grab a file and I'll shave off a little bit from the ends, and that should do the trick. All right, well, it's a little late at night. I'm too lazy to set up my Dremel kit, so I just grabbed a file. It shouldn't take a long time to do this, so. Right now, I shaved off about 1/32 of an inch. Not much, but let's see if that works. Not quite, so I'm just gonna shave a little more out of it. Take a little bit more off. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. Just a little bit more. There you go. Okay, let me just show you something here. Just make sure that when you push it in, you'll hear a snap that will ensure that it's locking itself into place. There are 4 tabs right here. Sorry, let me turn that the other way around. So if you can see here, there are some grooves here. There's some notches, and this end has to be able to come out to the other end of the grill. Okay, so make sure when you push, it snaps into place, and you're golden. So let me just grind away with this piece, and we're ready to do the wiring. So I've reconnected all the LED lights into the harness. Yeah, all 4 of them are wired, and I've also connected the negative or the ground wire, and make sure that you're properly grounded. Now we need to run or connect the positive to the daytime running light. This here is the daytime running light, right? And what we want to utilize is the green wire right here. We just want to tap into it using a T connector. This, by the way, is my low beam light, and this is also made by AUXITO, and so far so good. It's been a workhorse. You can check out this link up on the right corner here if you want to see the installation and more information about that product. At any rate, let me just tap into this. I'll show you what I'm using, which is right here, and this here is a T connector. So I was able to tap that connector on there. Okay, that's in place now, so let's test it out. So that is it, guys. Another quick and easy installation all done. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down on the comment section below. Thanks for supporting my channel as always. Please hit like, subscribe, and share the video. And I hope to see you again on the next one. But for now, if you can be anything, might as well be nice.